Southeast Texas. 338 Mobile, Central Montana calling.
338 Mobile up in Montana, World Radio 4090, Southeast Texas. Go right ahead, sir.
Hey, brother, man, you point that antenna up this way, not out towards the west coast, and let me hear what it sounds like. I've got a video gate running. I want to throw it up on YouTube and then send it to you. Hey, you're sounding good down this way with that new big old quad antenna. 338 Mobile, southeast, south central Montana, and a pickup truck. Back to you.
Hey, QSL 338 out there in the Mobile. Yeah, I got that beam pointed right up towards you. So, yes, sir, you go right ahead, sir. Man, let's be looking forward to hearing that video game, Roger.
Hey, Rogers on that, brother. Man, it's sounding good. I heard you make that call for that station out in San Diego. I want to see if my pickup truck can make it back to you. And, man, you're sounding good up here there, QSL.
Hey, QSL, man, you sounded good over on this end. I got you coming in by receive about a 7x9, Roger.
Hey, Rogers on that. Let me look at the meter real quick and see what you're throwing on me there, QSL.
Hey, QSL, hey, that time you hit me a 9 over there, Roger, 9 over.
Hey, copy that, Alan. I've got you solid S5s, sometimes S7s, and it's sounding really good, man. I need to get a big old antenna like that up in the air.
Yeah. Hey, QSL, I tell you what, I just wonder what kind of mount you have to use to stick it on that pickup truck, Roger.
Hey, Rogers on that. I wouldn't be able to put it on a pickup truck, but I'll be able to get it up in the air one or later. But, hey, I'll be so close to you, I'll have to call you on the phone and say, I'm going to be on the radio for a little while, so turn it off, or I'll make sure I don't point it at you there, Roger.
Yeah, QSL, man, I'll tell you what, I think I'd have to have me a few spare speakers, Roger.
Yeah, Roger's on that. I'm looking forward to it. Sooner or later, I'll get it done, bring that big old Henry amplifier down there and get everything wired up and start talking, and shoot, we'd be all over controlling the Gulf Coast of Texas there, Roger.
Hey, QSL on that. Yeah, I'll tell you what, man, 2 of them big old bad boys up in the air. Woo, yeah, look out, the Gulf Coast is going to be fully covered, Roger.
Yeah, Roger's on that. All right, brother, let me pause this video, and just heard you in there, wanted to get a video gate up so I could show you what you sound like. I'll get it uploaded to YouTube and then shoot you a link to it there, Roger.
Hey, QSL, man, we certainly appreciate that, Rocky. Hey, good to hear you out there again, my friend. Stay safe on your run, and hey, hopefully talk to you again real soon.
Check, brother. All right, catch you later, Alan. 338 Mobile in my mud duck pickup truck up here in on the Yellowstone River in Montana. I'll catch you later.
Thank you, QSL 338 Mobile. Hey, have yourself a fine one out there, sir. World Radio 4090, Southeast Texas. We're clear.
Check, Alan. I'll catch you later.